Look at this example. I wash my car 3 times a week. Now answer the question, who washes my car? The answer is I. I wash my car. Look at this example. I have my car washed 3 times a week. Who washes my car 3 times a week? It doesn't say. I have my car washed 3 times a week. It means that I don't wash the car myself. Someone else does it for me. It's probably a car wash attendant or someone else who I ask and pay money. You can also say, I get my car washed 3 times a week, which is the same as I have my car washed 3 times a week. No difference. How often do you have your teeth checked? About twice a year. How often do you have your teeth checked by someone else? I have my teeth checked about twice a year. It means that I don't check my teeth myself twice a year. That's impossible. Someone else checks my teeth for me. I have my teeth checked twice a year. Or you can say, how often do you get your teeth checked? Which is the same as how often do you have your teeth checked? I got my teeth checked twice a year. Which is the same as I have my teeth checked twice a year. We can also use get something done or have something done to avoid sounding too personal, to avoid telling who did the action. For example, instead of saying, finish the report by tomorrow, we can be more neutral, more impersonal, and say, get the report finished by tomorrow. This way the boss doesn't sound so bossy. Sorry, honey, I scratched your car. Or we can say, sorry, honey, I got your car scratched. Or, sorry, honey, I had your car scratched. To sound more impersonal, to avoid telling who did it, who scratched the car, that's all I have to say about have or get something done. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.